Right now, the trade industry is where all the jobs are. There's so much opportunity in the trades right now that I don't think people, for that matter, know what's available to them. Visual learners do very well in here. Kids who like to work with their hands.
It keeps me interested, something that I like doing. I'm more of like a hands-on learner anyways, so it kind of fits my role of how to learn.
It gives me the confidence that I need outside in the real world to actually continue and to actually build houses outside for a living.
We're at the portion where the students are going to start painting, installing doors, installing trim, installing the flooring, the kitchen cabinets, and then do the finish electrical and plumbing as well.
We're kind of making all the seams and stuff less noticeable on the drywall and covering up the holes from the screws.
I have 4 girls in my junior class.
Well, I think it's really good that women are starting to see themselves as able to get into this kind of career field, and I love that women are empowering themselves to get into this and to do a job like this, even though it might be difficult for them because of people saying, oh, this is a man's job, a woman shouldn't be here. I do want to do this kind of stuff for a career. I want to do residential remodeling.
Even if you don't go into the trade, everybody's going to be a homeowner at some point. So instead of hiring a contractor, they have a little bit of knowledge where they could fix and repair something if they need to without calling a contractor in.
I will be able to do things around my house by myself and not have to pay $1,000 to fix a wall or a broken pipe. I'll just have the knowledge and I can do it by myself.
I think this is pretty amazing. I think it's a really good opportunity for us to actually get to learn something before we get to college.
Coming out of here, they should have enough knowledge where they could get a job making a decent amount of money, and then they'll get more on-job experience where they will be able to, make more money and further their career.